When you see a number of asset management companies adding their position on a certain stock, that is a very good sign that that stock will do very well in the future. In fact, many investors, when they see companies doing or adding their position on a certain stock, they become more comfortable when investing in that stock, because seeing these big financial institutions or big companies adding their positions on this stock, it simply means that they can have a peaceful sleep at night knowing that this stock is set to do well, because it's even backed by big financial institutions. Ladies and gents, once again, welcome to yet another video. Now today on this video, guys, we'll be going through some of the recent big moves that were recently made by a number of big asset management companies who just recently added on their NEO stock positions. So watch this video until the end, because I definitely think that after you see these whales that we are going to talk about that just added their positions on the NEO stock, you will also be definitely encouraged to do the same. Otherwise, just a disclaimer, guys, I'm not a professional financial advisor. If you seek professional financial advice, do the right thing and go consult the professionals. Now, the first asset management company that just added their positions on the NEO stock is the company that goes by Bridgewater Associates. And of course, to those who don't know who they are, this is the world's largest hedge fund manager. And of course, you will also know that this company was founded by the famous Ray Dalio. Now, Bridgewater Associates, guys, increased its NEO holdings by more than 391,000 shares in the fourth quarter of 2020. This is, of course, according to the filing that this company just released on the 12th of this month. Now, this recent transaction by Bridgewater Associates, it brings Bridgewater to now own a total of 1,960,609 NEO shares, which, guys, I definitely believe that it should encourage you or give you confidence when you invest in this company, because even the big sharks in the investing business, they are increasing their stake on this NEO stock. News like this, guys, I will tell you for sure, this just encourages us as investors to stay long on this company, because this stock is even backed by big financial institutions. Now, the second big investor that just added more positions on their NEO stock is the Switzerland Central Bank. And for those of you who have been digging this kind of news about the NEO stock, you'll remember that this bank on the 5th of February indicated that they now own more than 3 million NEO shares. And you, of course, you remember that this comes after they announced late last year in November that they only owned more than 2.2 million shares of NEO. So, guys, this just simply means that this company, after late last year November, this company recently just added more than 799,000 shares more onto this NEO stock. So that, once again, guys, should definitely encourage you, because you will remember that, guys, these big investors, not only do they just invest in a stock, but they invest in a stock that they believe that it will do very well in the future. If big banks are adding to their portfolio, this should also encourage you to do the same, guys. Now, the third big investor that just recently bought the NEO stock, and of course, this investor, guys, never had any position on the NEO stock. This was the first time they announced their positions on the NEO stock. And this investor is none other than the French bank Natixis. Now, Natixis just recently reported that it now owns more than 2.4 million of NEO shares. And of course, this came after the report they released last year, November the 12th. So this is a very good thing, guys, because especially that this bank is the very first time they buy these NEO shares. So you can imagine that buying these NEO shares at a one go just simply means that, guys, they expect it to do very well. So, guys, so you and me better stay in the same boat as these investors and stay long on this NEO stock. We can also add on our NEO stock, and we can do that confidently, because we know that even the big whales are doing just that. Now, the last investor, guys, that just recently bought this NEO stock for the very first time is the company that goes by the name of Varma Pension Insurance. And of course, to the benefit of those who don't know who they are one of the largest private investors in Finland. So Varma indicated that they recently bought NEO in the fourth quarter of 2020. And of course, this is as per the filing they just recently released on February the 9th. On this filing, Varma indicated that they now own 210,000 of NEO shares. Now guys, I can definitely tell you without any hesitation that these are not the only companies that will be adding their positions on NEO. I definitely think that there are still going to be many more companies that are still going to add on their NEO positions, and there are going to still be companies that are going to buy NEO for the very first time. There are still going to be new companies that are going to buy this NEO stock, because guys, I definitely think that with all these things that have been said about NEO, with all the things, the kind of things that NEO is doing, I definitely believe that you will be blind if you do not invest in this stock. This stock is set to do very well in the future. This stock is set to achieve so many things in the near future. So I definitely think that if you don't partake in what these other big investors are doing, you will definitely be left behind. Because you remember that just recently, for the month of January, NEO broke yet another delivery record, which just, guys, simply indicate to you that this company, guys, it continues to do great things. And of course, we cannot forget that this company has just recently launched their new sedan called the ET7, which is set to start selling sometime next year. Guys, I definitely think that you should go and pile more onto this stock. You should go and add more onto this stock, because not only are the big fishes adding their positions on this stock, but they are also increasing their price target on this stock, because most of them believe that NEO stock price should be trading around $80 as we speak. So this is a very good opportunity for you to go in and buy this stock, because like I said, if these big investors are saying that this stock on average it should be trading around $80 per stock, that should definitely encourage you, my friends, to go and pile more onto this stock, because guys, I can tell you for now, you will not regret the decision of adding more stock or more positions onto this NEO stock. Otherwise, guys, I make tons and tons of stock market investing videos, and if you think that this video was amazing, please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to also subscribe to this channel. Otherwise, that's all from me today, guys, and see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching, and God bless you all.